Good morning, grade 2. Hello, everyone. Let's start our math lesson for today, Sunday, 5th of April. First of all, I want you to be ready, so please get your math book and your pencil. The pages that we are gonna cover today in math book are 541, 542, and 543. Now please open your book, page 541. Lesson 3. Analyze picture graphs. So before we start, I want to ask you, do you know what is the meaning of the word analyze? What do we mean by analyzing a picture graph? Do you know? Analyze means to be able to find information or answer questions using the picture graphs. So as we said in this lesson, we will learn about how to use picture graphs to answer questions. Please look at the following example in your math book, page 541. So now let's analyze this picture graph together. It's about favorite dinner. When I say the word analyze, you need to look carefully at the picture graph so you're able to find information or answer questions. Now, I want you to use the data in the picture graph here. Then you write the number of votes for each dinner. Don't forget, each picture of food here represents one vote. So you need to count the number of pictures to have the number of votes for each one. Okay, if you're done, let's answer the first question here. Which dinner is the least favorite? You need to search which dinner has the least number of votes. Yes, meatloaf. It just have one vote. So which dinner you need to write the name of the dinner, not the number. So you write meatloaf. The next question, it's not in the book, but follow me. How many people participated in this survey? Here I'm asking about the total number of people who has been asked to participate in this survey. So you need to count the total number of votes to give the total number of people. So you need to add 4 plus 2 plus 1. Please add, then write the number. Now let's do the guided practice, page 542. Look at the following example, then answer the questions. The given example here is a picture chart for favorite pet. Let's see the questions. Question number 1. What pet is the favorite? Here you are asking to write the name of the pet, not the number. The pet which has the most number of votes. For example, the fish, it has 6 votes, the dog has 2, and the cat has 4. So which one has the most number? Please write the answer. Question number 2. How many votes does each picture show? As we said before, each picture shows one vote. So only one vote for each picture. Let's move to the second exercise. Use the data from the graph to answer the questions. In this exercise, I'm going to read and explain the questions for you, and you need to write the answer in your book, please. Question number 1. What activity is liked the least? The least. So you need to search which activity has the least number of votes. And you write the name of the activity, not the number. Yeah, it's inline skating as it has only 2 votes, and this is the least number. Question number 2. Which 2 activities have the same number of votes? You are gonna search for the name of the 2 activities which have the same number of votes. So you write the name of the activities. Yeah, bike riding and playing baseball. Each of them has 3 votes. Question number 3. How many people like to swim and play baseball in all? So how many here? You need to write the number of people who like to swim and play baseball. How many people like to swim here? 5. And how many people like to play baseball? 3. So here you need to add 5 plus 3, then write the total number. Great job. Now let's move to page 543. Use the data from the graph to answer the questions. In this page, we have a picture graph about some students who voted for the way how they get to school. Let's answer the questions. Question number 4. How do most students go to school? Please, when you read the question, I want you to underline or circle the keyword which helps you to find the answer. The keyword here is most. You need to find the most number of students. So how do most students go to school? The most number here is for walk. So you need to write walk. Question number 5. How many students ride the bus and ride in cars? Here, how many? So you need to underline or circle how many and the word bus and the word cars. You need to count the total number of students who ride in bus and cars. It will be 4, 2 plus 2. Question number 6. How many students voted? Circle the word students. We need the number of all students, the total number. So you need to count 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. Then write the answer. So the total number of students who voted in this chart are 10. Question number 7. How will the graph change if you add another way to get to school? If we added in this chart another way, so we will have an additional row. The chart will have one more row. Question number 8. Write a question that can be answered using the data in the picture. You need here to ask a question, which the answer is here in this chart. For example, how many students walk and bike? So I can answer this question using the chart to count the total number of students who can walk and bike to school. Question number 9. Write the number sentence you can use to answer your question. The answer of number 9, it depends on the question that you asked in number 8. According to this question, how many students walk and bike? So we need to add the number of students who walk, which is 5, and the number of students who bike, which is 1. So the number sentence here, if you write just the total number, you'll be mistaken because the question is write the number sentence as the following. 5 plus 1 equals 6. This is the number sentence. Okay, grade 2, this is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you so much for listening. Please do your homework, page 545, then upload your work as a photo to your portfolio on ClassDojo. Here is your homework. This is the page. Thank you. Goodbye.